Hello and welcome back to Tector.com. So in this short video we will understand what is prime and non-prime attribute. So as name suggests, it is somewhat related to primary key of a relation. So let's take an example and try to understand what is prime and non-prime attribute. So in this example we have taken a question from GATE 1999 and the question was for a given relationship, that is R, and the given functional dependencies. It was A implies or A functionally determines B. Okay, so for the given set of functional dependencies, find out what is the key of this particular relation. When we solve this, we will have a key. So let's find out the key first. So as we know how to find out candidate key, so we start with attribute which is not present in the right hand side. So if we see here A is there, B is there, C is not there, so C will be there in the candidate key always. Then D, E, F, so E is not there, so E is absent and right hand side, so E will be always there in the candidate key. Now we will find the closure of this, that is X closure, which will be equal to C can determine F, and from reflexive rule C, E will be always there. C can determine C. Now C can determine F from this functional dependency, so F. Then from E we can determine A, so A. Now this E and C can determine D, so we'll write D, and A can determine B, so B. So as we can see that all the elements or all the attributes has been determined, so we will say that this is a key attribute, key of this relationship, okay, or candidate key. Now we come to our topic, that is prime and non-prime attribute. So the prime attribute is prime attribute. So we define prime attribute as the attribute which is present in any of the candidate key. Okay, fine. And similarly non-prime attribute, non-prime. Okay, so non-prime attribute is an attribute which is not present in any of the candidate. Fine. Now we know for this particular relationship we know what is the candidate key, so let's write what is prime attribute and non-prime attribute. So for this particular relationship we have prime attribute as C and E, because this C and E is present in this, the key of this particular relationship or the primary key of this particular relationship. So CE will be prime attribute, and apart from this CE, except CE, all the attributes, that is F, A, D and B, so all these will be non-prime attribute. Okay, so the prime attribute is an attribute which is present in any of the candidate key, while non-prime attribute is the attribute which is not present in the primary key or the candidate key. So I hope this is clear. Thanks for watching.